everyone, today I want to talk about cooking. Are you ready? I like cooking, but I don't cook very often. At home, my mother usually cooks for the family, and she cooks very well. I feel lucky because of that. My mother is a traditional Vietnamese woman. She loves her family and always makes delicious food for us. Some dishes she often cooks, such as fried fish, sour soup, braised fish. Sometimes I also go to the kitchen to cook when I want to eat something I like. I can cook some simple dishes like fried eggs, braised pork, and sour soup. When I cook, I feel happy and proud. Cooking is fun for me because it helps me relax and spend time with my mother. I think cooking is a good way to show love to my family. When we cook and eat together, I think it is lucky for me. Okay, leave a comment and tell me why you like cooking. I'll see you next video.
Thanks for watching.